Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to put link in TikTok bio. Adding a link to your TikTok bio is similar to Instagram. It allows you to add a clickable link directly to your profile. Follow these two simple steps and add a link to your TikTok bio within minutes. Open TikTok app, then tap Edit Profile. If you see the option of website, add the URL of whatever you want to promote. But what if you can see an option to add a link to your TikTok bio? Here are the 3 steps that importance to keep in mind. The only way you can add a clickable link in your TikTok bio is with a business account. So, make sure to switch over to a business TikTok account to access this feature. Only business accounts with more than 1,000 followers have access to TikTok's link in bio feature. You can now add clickable links to your bio on TikTok mobile app only. Therefore, be sure to use your phone rather than a computer to add your bio link. If your TikTok account is a personal account and you want to use the TikTok bio link to promote your business, consider switching your account to the business account. The first step, tap on the profile at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. This will take you to the settings and privacy page. Then tap Manage Account. Tap Switch to Business Account. Go back to your profile page. Tap Edit Profile button and add a hyperlink to your site under the website section. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.